Ha?
Oh, sige na, sukat na.
Ay, Len, happy birthday! Buka na.
Salamat po.
Salamat kayo. Lagi na ina si Emily, si In. Katong ilang gihatag na ko. Dako kay itong katabang. Kapag ko itong gatas at kasako. Nga si Hilig ay ikaw po, nihatag po. Bawga po to. Kasako nga sinuong ipalit na to. Salamat na kayo katungod sa iyong tabang. Siyempre, natural igsoon, magulang. Manghod ka na tabang magulang. Kaya magulang po doon yan. Apoy barato. Asos ko. Barato din yung sobra pastagsak kasako. Kung ako'y barato. Nalang kayo po lang. Yakan pa rin. Nangandoy pa rin. Di managway dautan ang mangandoy. Paano itong mga awat kay dautan. Alay mo to. Happy birthday na labang karo pa man na Sabado. Basog makadamgo ko nga gatuyo ko glitson.
Hello, Helen. Happy birthday sa Super Mom and Super Lola. Yeah, your warmth, kindness, and strength have touched so many lives. Usap ko ang imong na-touch. You bring light and love to everyone. On this special day, I hope you feel all the love and joy that you so generously give to others. May your year ahead be filled with health, happiness, and countless blessings. You truly deserve all the best that life has to offer. Happy birthday.
Len, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Helen. Happy birthday, Lola Helen.
Happy birthday, Lola Helen!
Happy birthday, Lola Helen.
Always in good health and take care.
We love you.
Hello. Maayong adlaw na tong tanan, and especially to the birthday girl. I wish you a very blessed happy birthday, and wishing you all the love and laughter with all your loved ones. And I pray to God that He will grant you many more years of celebrating your birthday and a happy long life ahead. I know nag-enjoy na ka sa retirement, but although you're managing your time, kay you're taking care of your kids' needs and especially your grandkiddos. I know that this makes you happy though. So, I know nga dili pa man jud mailhan nga senior ba? Kaloy sa Ginoo. So, but just take care of your health. Don't stress out too much, and kaning abante na atong edad, medyo slow down na ta kay health is wealth. And proven and tested kaayo nako, a living testimony. But anyhow, thank you for being there for us always. Kanang one phone call away ra ka, especially kanang mag-accompany ni Mama and or try to visit them in Darwin. Thank you so much. And most especially, thank you sa bayi-bayi nga makusganon jud. I greatly appreciate those. And I guess that's it. Enjoy your day together with all our kapamilyas, and wish we were there to celebrate with you, but kayo naapa ko diha. I guess that's it. Enjoy your day together with all our kapamilyas, and wish we were there to celebrate with you, but kayo naapa ko diha. Balag di ko imbitaron, murag ni plastada na jud ko. Panansama ni miles away. So maybe may wish for you is to find a partner in life, if you wish. No, binuang, but who knows? So, sa mane, mag-rimos na ta para mangita tanig afam. Ready na ang passport. Lupad pa more. Bitaw, let's pray to God that whatever is destined for you to happen will happen. Let us just lift it up all to God, kay He knows what is best for us. Bye-bye and cheers to another happy year, and regards to everybody. Enjoy!
Hello Te, happy birthday. I wish you have very good health and more birthday to have. Mabuhay kang gusto mo. Happy birthday!